One of the requests that we receive on a regular basis is somehow have an ability to change your brackets, but then save those new heights for future cases. So we call this presets, presetting your heights so you can use them again, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So for example, let's take the upper 3 to 3. I'm going to use my shift key and right click from 3 to 3. Now those are all selected. And then I'm just going to move these up 0.5 millimeter. Oop, we're on 0.01. Let's go to 0.1 and get that up. And then we need to switch to that. I'm going to get that a little bit more precise. There we go. That's at 5 with my tab key. I can go through each of these teeth and get them really precise. And there we go. So let's say this is a preset that you want to create here. Be sure not to have a tooth selected when you do what I'm about to show you. So make sure there's no teeth selected, but you do have your new heights. And you come down here to the settings gear, and you can see I already have some presets in here. But I'm going to create the new one that I have, that I just changed on those upper 3 to 3, and I'm going to hit save. And let's check it. You can see, yeah, those are still the new ones. But if we go in here, in fact, let's turn on the bracket height so we can always see the chart up there. But let's load preset 1 that was already in here. So I'll hit load. And yeah, you can see that those teeth all moved down 0.5 millimeter, and so it's changed back. So if this was a new case, now that you have your presets in here, I can come in here and click preset 3, or name it whatever you want. Call it smile arc or whatever. And just be sure to hit load. And then yeah, you saw those all jump up, and now you've got the new numbers. That's 0.5 millimeter up and across the board. So that is how presets work.